Why does your scanner show the P2205 engine code? What does it mean? P2205 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater, control circuit or open bank 1, sensor 1. The P2205 engine code for Indicate the Engine Control Module, ECM, has detected a malfunction or a break in the circuit of the heating element for the primary NOx, nitrogen oxide sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged wiring or harness, corroded or loose connectors, failed NOx sensor heater, excessive soot buildup, blown fuse or power supply issue. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like GMC, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.